Hello everyone. Let's mod Google Pirate Dex Protected app. Install app from Play Store. Open original app, log in with your mobile, then analyze the app. Everything works fine, but premium contents ask for subscription. Open anti-split M. Make simple APK without sign. Watch my previous videos. I explained about remove Pirate Dex protection from APK. You should remove protection, then start modding. Once protection removed, simply sign the APK to make a copy. If you made any error in main app, you need to remove Pirate again. So make a copy first. Also, after copy, install the app and log in with your ID. After login, start modding. This protection removed APK. As usual, use Activity Recorder to capture the activity. In this app, I tried Activity Recorder not working, so I manually found the location of movies details with my experience. After Open Details class, I looked for fields and I found subscribe keyword. Then I searched the keyword with same class. In one method I found condition about is logged in and access control. So I go to access control. Then I found few patch places is premium tag. It gets free and free. Make all the methods true and return same value. Save and compile the APK, but you normally log in with your mobile number, then access Premium. This is the result of our mod. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Join our Telegram channel to download the premium app. Thanks for watching.
এই তো আসছি গলেনি চল